सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ब्रेन बूस्टर्स हब। तो हमारा आज का लेक्चर है ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंट रिएक्शंस फॉर द क्लास 10 ICSE बोर्ड। ओके, सो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इज मैग्नीशियम रिबन इन एयर. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide, which is of white color, and in the observation, white dazzling flame. Next reaction is calcium oxide in water. When calcium oxide reacts with water, it gives calcium hydroxide. CaOH2 is calcium hydroxide and heat is evolved. And the next reaction is for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide reacts with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Then glucose is formed and oxygen is evolved in the air. Then the next reaction is respiration. C6H12O6. Glucose, when reacts with oxygen in the presence of mitochondria, carbon dioxide plus water and energy is evolved. Next reaction is heating iron sulfate. When iron sulfate .7H2, iron sulfate having 7 molecules of water is heated, iron sulfate and water is separated, and if again it is reacted, it is heated, iron sulfate, which is of white color, it gives Fe2O3, which is of red brown color, and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide is formed. Next reaction is heating calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate is heated, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is formed. Next is heating lead nitrate. When PbNO3 whole twice, lead nitrate, which is of white color, it is heated. Lead oxide, which is of yellow color, is formed plus oxygen, and nitrogen dioxide gas is evolved, which is of brown color. Next is silver chloride or bromide kept in sunlight. AgCl, which is silver chloride, when kept in sunlight, Ag plus Cl2 is formed. Ag is silver and Cl2 is chlorine is formed. And next reaction is when silver bromide is kept in sunlight, silver plus bromine is formed. Next is displacement reaction. When zinc sulfate and sodium is reacted, Na2SO4, this is called sodium sulfate, is formed plus zinc. Next is copper sulfate, which is of blue color, when reacts with iron, FeSO4, iron sulfate is formed plus copper, which is of green color. Next are some combination reactions in which two or more reactants combine together to form one or more product. Okay. In this reaction, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Water plus oxygen gives hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives HCl. Next is double displacement reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Na2SO4, sodium sulfate plus BaCl2 is barium chloride. When reacts, BaSO4, which is of white color, this precipitate is formed, and NaCl is formed. In this reaction, sodium reacts with the chlorine ion and barium reacts with the sulfate ion, and these products are formed. Again, next is a double displacement reaction between potassium bromide and barium. Here barium iodide will come. Okay. Potassium bromide, KBr plus barium iodide gives potassium iodide. So that's all for today, and hope you all have understood it, and it might be helpful for your boards also. So all the best, and वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना. थैंक यू.